Good morning student, welcome to you all in our yoga classes. My name is Mamta Mishra. Today we are going to do some asana and some practice of pranayam. Before that, I would like to define you what is yoga. The word yoga means the oneness or the unity and is derived from the Sanskrit word yuj, which means to join. On practical level, yoga is a means of balancing and harmonizing body, mind and soul. So, yoga provides us a holistic health. Holistic means here not only a physical fit but also mentally, emotionally and spiritually also. There are many parts of yoga and asana, pranayam and meditation are the sum of its part. So today we are going to start with the first part, that is asana. The inner personality doesn't exist without the support of physical health. Thus asana is the important part. It provides stability and increase awareness about self and surrounding. Practice of asanas keep the muscles, organ and nerves in a healthy condition. Therefore, yoga is a king of all exercise system. So we are going to start with the Surya Namaskar. It is consist of 12 different postures which string together. Each have different benefit, and whole Surya Namaskar gave us a phenomenal stretch to our body. It is mainly geared to warm our body before we starting a practice of other asana. So let's start Surya Namaskar. Come in front of your mat. Stand straight. Body weight equally on both feet. Now from here, inhale, raise arms up, make Namaskar above your head. Bring your hand in front of your chest. Now from here, raise arms up, bend it back. Stretch your body up from top to bottom. Now, bend forward. Place your palm beside your feet. Palm beside your feet. If you are not here comfortable to place your palm on the floor, bend your knee. Place your palm on the floor. Gently straight your knee. Now, take your right leg back as possible. Drop your knee, flat your feet, fingertips on the floor, head should be up, shoulder should be relaxed. Now, take your left leg back straight in Dandasana. Now, drop your knee, drop your chest, drop your chin on the floor, Ashtanga Namaskar. Now, slide forward, come in Bhujangasana, flat your feet. From here, tuck your toe in, raise your middle body up, flat your feet in Parvatasana. See your navel here. Now, bring your right leg forward between your both palms. Drop your knee, flat your feet of left, fingertips on the floor. Head should be up, shoulder should be relaxed, chest should be open. Now, bring your left leg forward. Place your palm beside your feet. From here, raise your arms up. Arch it to the back. Now, make Namaskar. Bring your hand in front of your chest. Now, inhale and exhale. Release your position. This is one round of Surya Namaskar is completed from the right side. Now we are going to do from the left side. Now, again, raise your arms up, make Namaskar, bring your hand in front of your chest. Now, raise your arms up, stretch your body up, arch a little bit back. Forward, place your palm beside your feet. Now, take your left leg back as back possible. Drop your knee, flat your feet, fingertips on the floor, head up, chest should be open, shoulder should be relaxed. Now take your right leg back in Dandasana. Now drop your knee, drop your chest, drop your chin on the floor, Ashtanga Namaskar. Now slide your body forward, come in Bhujangasana. Flat your feet. Now tuck your toe in, raise your middle body up, come in Parvatasana. Here, try to see your navel. Now, bring your left leg forward between your both palms. Drop your knees, flat your feet of right, fingertips on the floor, head should be up. Now, bring your right leg forward, place your palm beside your feet. From here, raise your arms up, arch it to the back. Now, make Namaskar. Bring your hand in front of your chest. Now, inhale and exhale. Release your position. Now, I have Rohan with me to help demonstrate you some other asana. Now, we are going to take some asana of standing posture, some standing asana. So, our next asana is Tadasana, palm tree pose. Stand with the feet together or about 10 cm apart and the arms by the side. Your body weight distribute equally on the both feet. Now raise your arms up over the head, interlock the fingers. Fix the eye at a point on the wall slightly above the level of head. Elbow should be straight. Now inhale, stretch the arms up, shoulders, chest upward. Raise the heels, come on the toes. Stretch the whole body from top to bottom. Hold this position for a few seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, first lower the heel while breathing out. Bring the hand top of the head. Now once again, inhale, raise your arms up. Turn your palms towards the sky. Stretch your body up. Raise your heel. Come on toes. Again, hold your position for a few seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. First, lower the heel while breathing out. Bring the hand to the top of the head. Now, release your position. Now next we are going to do Kati Chakrasana, waist rotating pose. Now make a wide gap between the both feet. Inhale, raise your arms up at shoulder level. More up at shoulder level. Straight. Now twist towards the right. Place left hand over our right shoulder and right hand wrap back. Now look back and try to see your left heel. Hold it here. Now come in center. Straight the hand, at shoulder level. Now twist towards the left. Place your right hand over left shoulder. Look back. Hold it here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come in center. Now release your position. Now we are going to do Tiryak Tar Asan, swing palm tree pose. Stand straight, make a wide gap between the both feet. Now inhale, raise your arms up over the head, interlock the finger. Now exhale, bend towards the right. Hold it here up to 5. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come in center. Again. Exhale, bend towards the left. More. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, come in center. Now inhale and exhale, release your position. Now we are going to do pranayam. So what is pranayam? Pranayam is made by the combination of two words, pran and ayam. Pran means vital energy or life force, and ayam means to control it or to increase it. Thus, pranayam means extension or expansion of dimension of pran. Technique of pranayam provide the method whereby the force of life activated and regulated. We are going to start with the technique of inhalation and exhalation. So we are going to start a pranayam. First, technique of breathing. So first sit in Padmasana or a Sukhasana in which you are comfortable for a long time. Both hand in a Gyan Mudra, index finger and the thumb taped together. Now you have to count a number up to 5 when you are inhaling and exhaling in your mind. So start. When you inhale, expand your chest, expand your abdominal. Close your eyes. Count the number in your mind up to 5. Now exhale. Draw your navel inward. Again, inhale. Expand your chest, your stomach. Exhale. One more round. Again, inhale. Expand your chest, stomach. Exhale. Draw your navel inward. Now we are going to do a pranayam, that is Nadi Shodhan pranayam or Anulom Vilom. So your left palm should be in a Gyan Mudra on knee and your right hand in a Pranav Mudra. Your first and second finger at the base of thumb like this. You have to close your right nostril with the thumb. First you have to inhale with the left nostril up to 3 count. Then close your left nostril. Exhale through the right nostril up to 3 count. Again inhale from the right nostril. and exhale through the left nostril. Again, inhale through the left nostril and exhale through the right nostril. 2 rounds more. Again, inhale through the right nostril Now press your right nostril and exhale through the left nostril. Again, inhale through the left nostril. Press your left nostril and exhale through the right nostril. This is Anulom Vilom Pranayam or Nadi Shodhan Pranayam. The main purpose of pranayam is to purify the channel of energy in your body. Pranayam help you to breathe deeper, and it's going to help you to breathe longer. And its advantage is that when you breathe deeper, the lungs can have better gas exchange, which means you can take more oxygen and you can remove more toxin from your body. So work on your body, mind and soul, because healthy body, calm mind and pure heart is a real wealth of us, and that give blissful life.